Who's that?
Me.
And show me what your features.
What's my features?
Tell me about the picture.
This is me. This is Skylar. This is Haley. This is Papa.
Yeah.
And Rain. And this is Mama.
That's an excellent picture of Mama.
Tell
me about
Papa or Mama?
That's Papa. So what else? What about this picture of Sissy? What is she holding?
She's holding a violin.
Show me her hair. Point to her hair. Oh, nice hair. What does she have on? What is she wearing?
A dress.
Uh-huh.
How about you, Rain? How about you, Rainy? How about you? What are you wearing? A dress. Point to your hair. That's good.
See Papa? What about Papa? What did you draw on Papa?
Hair.
What else?
And on head and teeth and
Is that all?
no, something else.
What else?
And a belly button.
A what?
A belly button.
Oh jeez. Where was the picture of Haley? Where's her legs?
There.
How many legs does she have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8?
No, she has, in real life she has, in the picture she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, That's 8, not her leg. Where? That's not.
What's that?
That's a tail.
Oh.
And this is the tail.
She has 2 tails?
Oh,
Interesting.
1, 2, 1. This her tail? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. She has 20. In real life, she has 20. She has 20 feet. She has 20 legs.
There you go. Thank you, Rainy, for showing us your picture.